Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about which country uses Revolut the most. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm finally ready to answer it. Before I get into the main topic, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, currency exchange, and investing. It's a popular choice for people who travel or live abroad, as it allows them to easily manage their money in multiple currencies. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Which country uses Revolut the most? To answer this question, I looked at a number of different sources, including Revolut's own website, as well as various news articles and blog posts. I also surveyed a number of my friends and family members who use Revolut. Based on my research, it appears that the United Kingdom is the country that uses Revolut the most. This is likely due to a number of factors, including the fact that Revolut is based in the UK and that the UK has a large and well-educated population that is tech-savvy and open to new financial products. Other countries that use Revolut a lot include the United States, France, Germany, and Spain. These countries all have large populations and strong economies, and they are also home to a number of tech hubs and startups. In addition to the countries mentioned above, Revolut is also popular in a number of other countries, including Australia, Canada, and Japan. These countries have all seen strong growth in the use of Revolut in recent years. So, there you have it. The United Kingdom is the country that uses Revolut the most, followed by the United States, France, Germany, and Spain. Revolut is also popular in a number of other countries, including Australia, Canada, and Japan. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.